Hello, I'm Daniel Barment. Welcome to the Service and Support Center of Leister, Switzerland. If you need us, we are always there for you wherever you are worldwide. You will find your Leister specialist in one of 90 certified service and support centers in 66 countries around the world. In our service and support centers, we bring your Leister equipment up to speed. In addition, our specialists will answer your technical questions. You need your Leister equipment every day. Sometimes you use it under extreme conditions. As a result, individual parts will wear out over the years. Give your Leister equipment a break from time to time. They will thank you for it. Here we repair and revive your Leister equipment so that it subsequently comes back to you like new. Because we know how happy you are about the lifelong service, and our environment is happy about less waste. In the Leister Academy, more than 150 experts train regularly to always stay up to date and offer you the best service. In addition, we continuously produce new tutorial videos with valuable tips and tricks for you. We do our very best to ensure that your Leister equipment comes back to you as quickly as possible after the service. Your satisfaction drives us.
That was fast. Thanks a lot.